looks like the diverter handle is broke. Looks like the style where it screws in. I believe I have a brand new replacement here, so we should be good. Alright, so first things first, unscrew the set screw. And that should just slide right off after that. There we go. Yeah, that's the same exact one I got. I got the same style. Perfect. Alright. Now, let's take and put a little tape on the end. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on the end here. Just like so. Alright, we'll get this thread in back in there. Use our little wrench. Oops. Tighten it down. Just tighten it till we get it to line up the set screw there. And it is lined up. There we go. Alrighty then. Let's get this set screw back out. Alright. Okay. There we go. Alright, that's in there. Tighten it up. All right. That looks like. All right, let's give it a test. And there we go.
Thank you so much.
Yes, of course. You're all set. I just want to make sure it's good now. Don't want to leave you like that. I don't want you figuring stuff out. All right, get all this here. That was quite a bit though, around. I mean, that's perfect.